I was like, am I sure? I was like, of course I'm sure. Yeah, I'm positive. Or at least that's what Rob said. Rob Trapp, my sister Smith's boyfriend. And he said he's installed a couple of these things. Okay, so there we go. There's the old ballast. Just gonna junk that. Don't have any use for it. I might sell it on eBay, but I highly doubt it because the thing's old, and even in warm weather, it doesn't work that well. In the summertime, it works not very well at all. Actually, it works really terribly. It's very shitty. It's really old, and it's about worn out. So, and it's one of those magnetic ones. And I don't know if I mentioned this or not. I might have mentioned this earlier before we started, or when we started the video. But you know, like I said, this is an electronic ballast. If you see it right there, you see where it says electronic. It says electronic ballast right there on there, white black lettering. So yeah, this one is better. Well, I hope it's better. It's supposed to be better. Oh, this will fit in these little tabs right here. Oh yeah, wow. Oh wow, that's real nice. See that? It's right there in those little tabs. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's like right here. It's right here. My finger fits right in there. It's perfect. Love it. Gotta love Granger, man. Gotta love Granger. Always have the stuff you need. Granger for the ones who get it done. That's what I always say. Let's fish this up through here. Okay, let's see if we can find the wire. Finger in here. It's alright, it's all the power shut off. Power shut off, so it's a good thing. I'm gonna need my pliers. There's no plan. Fucking hole's too small. I have fat fingers, so there's no way I'm gonna get that out. Fingers. Where is the black wire? Wire through. Black wire, where are you? Come on. There you go, bastard. I think. Oh wait, maybe not. This is a part that's kind of a pain in the ass. I mean, I don't feel like removing this whole thing, so that's why I'm trying to fish it through here. feel them. Let's just make a little another hook like I did before. See if I'm grounding that way. There we go. God, there we go. Second time's a charm. Second time it's always a charm. I might have to put another screw in there. Unless I can fit this one in there. Which I don't really know. It wants to fit. Tight squeeze. Well, looks like that's not going to work. Luckily I have some sheet metal screws, but my impact driver is in the house. I wanted to show you guys that today. I was going to save it for later. Maybe later on today or tomorrow. But you know what? Since I need it right now and I'm going to have to be using it, I might as well show it to you guys now. So I'm going to go get it real quick. We'll be back again for I don't know how many times this is right now. I don't know how many times. 15 times, 16 times, something like that. So I'm back with my small Milwaukee toolkit, but it'll work. Got my Milwaukee toolkit right here, and ready to use. Wasn't one reason I'm gonna do this. It's easier to drive in. Oops, sorry if I bumped the camera. Anyways, I was saying the reason I'm gonna be using this is it's easier to drive in the sheet metal screw into there, because it's just tin, I think, or sheet metal. It's sheet metal screws, so it should work. But I mean, hey, it'll work. Just trust me, though, it'll work. I wonder if I need a washer. I don't think I will. You know, not driver attachment. There, where's it? Screw in my mouth. That's why it sounds weird. I have an infrared thermometer in here, so I'm gonna do a little thing just to show you guys how cold it really is in here. Just to show you that this should work. I hope. Well, I'm not guaranteeing